This channel does not promote any violence, harmful or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This delay issue is caused because a judgment was passed by this Honorable Court on 1st of March 2017 on the issue as to whether
you take your seat.
B.Ed with special education can be treated to be a training qualification for awarding 15 marks for a candidate having that qualification.
Which selection process?
Primary 2016 primary school primary selection.
Oh,
Recruitment of
that equivalence is the issue.
not the equivalence.
Then
That qualification training, whether it should be treated to be a training qualification or not, special education.
so you are not getting a category.
I succeeded in the writ petition.
Very good.
Writ petition, it was held that
That's
yes,
it.
they should be granted the status of a trained candidate with the qualification of special B.Ed with special education. 1st of March 2017, that judgment concluded, no appeal. We were appointed, the petitioners before your lordships were appointed, since we had that qualification, after the judgment passed by the Honorable Court.
Under trained category or
Under trained category. Because untrained, my lord, we did not qualify. After the training marks was added to me, my lord, I became qualified. And my lord, accordingly, we were appointed after the judgment passed by the Honorable Court, sitting singly. And we have been given appointment as trained, A category scale, we had no grievance.
then what is the problem now?
In 2022, on the basis of the judgment of my order of my lord, the Honorable Judge Abhijit Ganguly, cancelling appointment of 36,000 lordships are also insisting of the matter. They published a my lord list where we have been shown not trained but in the untrained category.
Violation of the earlier direction of
Violation of they are accepted me as trained, they are given me appointment as trained, but they are given me A category scale, they are given me all area dues, I have no grievance, but accepting that you have printed something which will go contrary to my status.
Now they have printed what?
In 20, as per the order of court, they have given the list of successful candidates or list of panel, entire panel.
In that matter.
In that matter. And that matter, they have published a list showing the list
Same
of
as showing you as
board.
untrained.
Showing that these are the categories of candidates, some trained, some untrained.
Untrained. You are in
shown as trained or untrained?
I have shown as untrained in spite of joining as trained.
why, Mr. Vishwas?
Thereafter, I filed a writ petition before this Honorable Court.
Uh.
The Honorable Court said the defense was taken that same issue is involved in the appeal pending before the division bench against the 33,000 cancellation of primary school teacher status, untrained teachers. That was untrained teachers altogether. But that time, my advocate, the petitioners were confused as to whether this issue is also a issue there in that court. But that particular issue, could not say anything about the same in 2024 order. Just a Vishwit Basu's order. Thereafter, matter was returnable before Justice Chatterjee in 2025, where I personally appeared and addressed your lordship by saying that this issue is not the issue before the division bench, because these were the untrained matter. These are the persons who are already been treated to be trained. Therefore, it should be separately heard. The court adjourned the matter till the matter is heard by the division bench. So we spread for, but ours should be have an independent cause of action. Therefore, it has no connection with this. There was a number of writ petitions which were taken up by the Honorable Court in the sitting singly. The court declined, but since the other court already in the interim stage.
What is your problem, Mr. Waters? Then you are
Against which we have preferred an appeal. appeal where we said that we are separate writ petition, we are not supposed to be tagged with the 33,000 cancellation issue. They are untrained candidates. We are not untrained candidates. In the primary of 2016 selection process, we are trained candidates. Therefore, our only status should be treated to be trained, in view of the fact that we are being treated by not only by court but the authority themselves have also accepted me as a trained. Therefore, we should be heard separately.
Pertaining to, oh, that is
Untrained. We have been shown as untrained. We division bench we went. The division bench already passed order out of 3 matters or 4 matters. In 1 matter order has been passed. Other rest for the passes are there. Our order Priyanka order
ordered passed.
by Justice who mentioned sitting in the division.
What his lordship said.
My lordship. Lordship allowed the appeal. Allowed the appeal directed to give the status of a trained person with all benefits right from the date of judgment passed by the Honorable Court.
But here court directed refixation of your salary.
Refixation of my salary because I was there. In that case, I was not given the A category scale from the date of joining. But here, as that has already been given, I am only wanting the change of status. Only a change of status, not as untrained.
No, that change of status has not been declared by this appeal court.
This court said that you are entitled to be treated as trained in view of the judgment passed by the court.
Where is that? Where is that? Treated as trained.
Yes. Paragraph 6.
Then, Mr. Vishwas, why you are standing in the way?
I'm not, my lord, the facts, factually, my lord, just, my lord, to inform your lordship, my lord.
No, Mr. Vishwas, you go through this order.
My lord, I have.
You was there.
I was there, my lord.
Then what is the difference, Mr. Vishwas?
My lord, if my learned friend wants this order, my lord, I am not in the way to, my lord, oppose. Lordship pass this order. My lord, only one thing your lordship can see, page 174 of your lordship's brief, my lord, stay application. What he wants more, my lord, I really fail to understand. Your lordship kindly, my lord, wants your lordship
174.
174.
এটাই ও বলছে
My lord, on the basis of apprehension, writ cannot be maintainable.
No, what
If 32,000 appointment goes, then my appointment will go on the basis of that apprehension. My lord, writ cannot be maintainable. My lord, subject to my lord consideration. My lord, your lordship kindly see 174. This is the appointment letter of the petitioner. Your lordship kindly, my lord, top right hand side top.
trained candidate?
Trained candidate. He was appointed as trained candidate. What he wants more, my lord? I am asking myself.
ও নিজেই গলাটা ঢোকাতে যাচ্ছে।
No, they have given the list in terms of order of justice. Justice Abhijit Ganguly.
My lord,
they are indicated us in the untrained category.
Where do we?
That list is there, my lord, at page 161 onwards. আমাদের নামটা কোথায় পাবি? একটা বার করলি না?
161.
161 to, sorry, madam, 187 to 190. 190.
Second volume to the.
Well, I have given an instance.
Just a moment. Are your instant, you have not, your names are there, not there in 187.
187, third one is my name. Printed page number. There are two page number. Printed, 187. The fifth one is Priyanka Chakraborty's name is there.
Priyanka Chakraborty is, he's para teacher.
Not a para teacher, he is a general teacher, matter that was wrong printed by them. Subsequently, they corrected it. I don't bed in him.
Now, what is the wrong? This is a
Trading
marks
score,
which-
no nothing. Trading score, nothing.
Pardon?
Untrained. Shows a category untrained.
Please read the first line. Breakup score of panel for the recruitment process of 16 against 42,949 in respect of each empaneled candidate.
Yes.
So where do you have shown as untrained? কোথায় দেখাচ্ছে?
Here is the train qualification, my lord. Number has been given against the training. Kindly come to the column number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Training score. Lords will get it. Mark it, my lord. Training score.
Yes.
Training score, my lord, we are nil. There are some training score given because they are trained. They have been treated to be trained.
So you are Priyanka Chakraborty.
No training score has been given to me.
কি?
No training score has been given to me. Therefore, my lord, I have been continued to remain in an untrained category. This is a trained, untrained, mixed panel.
Just a minute. Para teacher.
Not para teacher. He is a regular teacher. Not an assistant teacher. That was wrongly given, for which the appointment was deferred for 2 months to correct it.
So how many petitioners are before us?
4.
Where are one is Priyanka, another is
দেবদুলাল, প্রিয়াঙ্কা, ভাস্বতী আর আনন্দ।
ওট কি বললো? এই অর্ডারটা কোথায় আছে?
যে মেমো কপি খালি মান্থলি লিস্টে পাঠিয়ে মান্থলি লিস্ট অফ ডিসেম্বর বিকজ দ্যাট
চক্রবর্তী
spent.
আমরা তো চক্রবর্তী
চক্রবর্তী দেবদুলাল, প্রিয়াঙ্কা, ভাস্বতী, আনন্দ।
These names are there, my lord. It is very difficult to find out. No one, my lord, we could not, my lord, even it has no serial number even.
It's easier for us to find out, না?
প্রিয়াঙ্কা
মামলা ফাইল করবি,
No one.
আমরা চোখ খুলে চশমা খুলে দেবো।
আচ্ছা, পিয়ালি পেয়েছিস কত? কত? 162, 188.
না,
Plus we get second one.
just let us ask. If he is a para teacher, in that case training will be there. That you are arguing, training will be there. Only aptitude will not be there, it will be experience. But training will be there.
Then he my lord, appointed as 10 candidate. My lord, this is not the issue, my lord. Your lordship, my lord, subject to your lordship's kind, my lord, consideration. My lord, need not to, my lord, go into this aspect. My lord, he was appointed as 10 candidate.
Grateful, my lord. Nothing further to be argued. Lordship, I record that. He is to be treated to be a trained candidate.
So, I am nobody to say, my lord. The appointing of
Yes.
the council, the appointment letter, my lord, email, my lord, my lord, he was appointed as 10 candidate.
Page
But
174.
training marks have not been awarded to me,
No, marks has been awarded,
but not shown.
not shown.
Yes, kindly, my lord, record that and dispose it of. I have nothing to further to say. There are also delay on identical delay in the other matter also, my lord, because it is arising out of the common order. My lord, delay was condoned, my lord, on the by justice on other division bench. It
No,
is
no, show us your prayer in the writ petition
yes.
to rectify anomalies as reflected in
Our prayer in at page 49.
uh,
Our prayer in read is page 49.
to rectify the errors anomalies as reflected in the notification of breakup. That breakup sheet has been filed in that case.
Earlier case, my lord.
Earlier case,
There the cancellation of appointment was given in respect.
32,000.
Yes,
That
madam.
matter,
That-
this has been done.
Yes, yes.
Now you have come up against the appeal of 4th November.
Appeal of phone number 20.
4th November matter has been placed in combined list.
Yes. No, this is not the
No.
appealable order, my lord.
It is not an appeal.
No, not that is not the issue, my lord. Where the court said that it is
That
the
is that finding, Mr. Bhattacharya, is subject to correction. That has to be returned by the single judge. If the single judge say no, he had been very fair. He says that if you are a appointment letter shows you are a trained candidate, you only want an observation of the court that you will be treated as a trained candidate, irrespective of how you have been name has been indicated in some other list which was prepared. This is your apprehension. So you come to that after the read court does not give you that prayer.
read court subsequently also matter came up.
Combined list রেখেছে, combined list you come.
Subsequently, this was directed to to wait till the decision of the division bench on the question of 32,000 appointment. That was the prayer, and this is involved in that matter. They have wait there.
Mr. Bhattacharya, what will be the suppose if it is to await this, unless the court makes an observation, tentative observation that yes, I will not give that declaration because something is wrong there. If the read court says, then you come up in appeal before us.
This has already been intervened by the division bench, my lord. This has already been intervened by the division bench.
Mr. Bhattacharya, if we have understood you correctly, you are saying that everything is okay. Only my name has been shown there as an untrained candidate.
That is.
That, Mr. That goes contrary to your appointment itself. So you, to remove that doubt from your mind, you came to court and said that, sir, please say that I do not belong to that category. This is your
Absolutely.
So mention it before the court as to be mentioned and get that order.
I could have tried, but this cannot be tagged with the 32,000 matter.
Are 32,000?
The court has said so.
Not well.
Well, the order impugn, kindly look at
the order of the division bench. In favor of 32,000, they will, I believe, they will not place this matter, further. If it is goes against 32,000, then only, their cause of action will.
No. I am not concerned about 32,000. I am not untrained. That was relating to untrained candidates only.
This is the actual cause of action.
When second time the matter came up before this court, when I also wanted the matter, my matter be independently disposed of. Page 9 is the. Lord, should we look at this order? The relief sought for. I have my case, no bearing on the relief sought for. And I repeated the said prayer before the other court when returnable date. Matter was made returnable. There also could decline to take up the matter.
Where is that order, Mr. Bhattacharya? A coordinate bench concluded, paragraph 3. Oh,
that concluded means the order impugned order. This is the order of 4th of November 24, page 9 of your lordship's book.
Yes, where it has been said that it has a bearing.
First line, second line.
Very first sentence. Outcome of the case appeal because of the having a bearing on the relief sought for. In these writ petitions, as such, the hearing of the matter is adjourned. Therefore, it has a bearing on the relief sought for in the appeal pending before the court against 32,000. This has no connection with the 32,000 issue. Actually,
This writ petition Oh, that same writ petition,
Yes, yes, yes.
Devdulal Acharya.
Yes.
Devdulal Acharya has already been,
Given the order.
then why Devdulal was added in this writ petition?
No, we have not added that writ petition. Devdulal was appeal has already passed an order in Devdulal.
So in that case only your other persons were not there with
No, not
Devdulal.
there, not there, not there. The different writ petitions, Lordship will get that cause title. Now Priyanka has come up before your Lordship. Writ page number 9, Priyanka's writ petition was there also.
So Priyanka is not similarly situated with Devdulal.
Similarly situated with Devdulal.
Then
But Devdulal had a less meritorious case. Devdulal joined prior to the judgment of the Arijit Banerjee. Devdulal was subsequently given the benefit of this training qualification after the judgment of
no,
the.
after that Devdulal was not given the A category scale.
Yes, he has been given a category.
Then why the Justice Sen, why in that order is saying that we direct the state to refix the salary?
Area payment and all these issues are there. Fixation of salary was otherwise.
Then if Devdulal's was refixation, that does not become a similar cause of action in your
Because
case.
Devdullal's appointment was as an untrained candidate prior to the judgment passed by Justice Arijit Banerjee. He was supposed to get the benefit of this training qualification at the time of his initial appointment, from the date of initial appointment. From the initial appointment, Malad was made sometimes in February 2017. Judgment came in March 17. Thereafter, Devdulal was given the special education benefit. But we were appointed after the judgment, treating us as a trained candidate. No problem is there.
Just when the recruitment process initiated, advertisement was published.
তাহলে আমাকে ফিরে যাবে ট্রায়াল করে
This person having the qualification of ELA special. So that qualification was not considered by the board initially when the panel was prepared. The group of writ petitioners came before this honorable court by filing a writ petition.
That is Justice Mantha's order.
No, that's the Arijit Banerjee's order.
In the meantime, pending of the writ petition, the appointment, the panel was approved and appointments were made. So what happened, my lord? Some of the writ petitioners or those who having the qualification of DLA special also got appointment as untrained. Am I clear to your lordship? As untrained. But after their appointment, the judgment came from this honorable court that this qualification to be treated as 10 candidate. So therefore, after that order, 1st March, the appointments were made, as a 10 candidate. But after that. But in the meantime, those who were already appointed, they were appointed as untrained candidate. Without adding their marks, they were empaneled. Without adding their training qualification, they were empaneled. And therefore,
So what is it? They have been remained as untrained.
no. Since the appointment were given, as untrained candidate,
Right.
but subsequently, all the benefit of 10 candidate because they need not to undergo further training of 2-year DLA, which was done by the other petitioners or other candidates. But they already had the training qualification DA special. So that is why, as soon as the order was passed, they were given the training benefit.
All their, Mr. Biswas, all their appointment were given after the judgment in Sarthak's case.
Yes.
These
In this matters, all are given.
after
So that is why you have rightly given them as trained candidates.
But what my learned friend is saying, my lord, that before that the panel was prepared. Before that panel was, my lord, once
But before the judgment delivered in
before the judgment delivered, the
at
panel
that
was,
time they were trained, untrained.
and what happened, my lord? I tell you, lordship, factually, my lord, the entire panel was, my lord, sent to the all the district primary school council, all the the different districts, and the panel was published, the various district primary school council
In which they went as untrained.
as untrained, and the list of the panel is also with the board. As soon as the order was passed by Justice Gangopadhyay, you immediately upload the my lord, we had no other alternative but to, my lord, upload without verifying anything. And my lord, at that point of time, we had no, my lord, the machineries or anything to, my lord, verify or, my lord, whatever. My lord, we, my lord, uploaded it to save the, my lord, other consequences. My lord, this is the position. That is why, my lord, this, my lord, confusion or, my lord,
preemptive measures। হয় তাহলে আমাকে এফেক্ট করবে, তো এই কিছুই হচ্ছে না। এগুলো একটু ডিফারেন্ট ছিল, আমাকে তো রেট্রোস্পেক্টিভ এফেক্ট দেওয়া হয়, তাই তো স্যার? ঠিক বললাম সেটা নয়,
ঠিকই বলেছিস, কিন্তু এই প্রিয়াঙ্কা টিয়াঙ্কা একদম ছেড়ে দাও।
স্যার
Order. That was the observation of the court. Second time also the court did not entertain.
Therefore, it would not be appropriate to hear the matter before the matter is heard this way at this stage.
So what that particular finding is wrong. That particular finding, my lord,
how does that infringe your right? Tell us one thing.
this appeal matter cannot, my lord, a condition
Then we
precedent.
will say that your anticipation is misconceived. We will dismiss your appeal, recording that this is a misconceived submission which is being made, because we do not find any reason that the board is treating you as an untrained candidate.
Board is treating the but the my learned friend what has said to your lordship that initially they filed
Forget
the
about it. We will record that.
we have
We will record that, but we will dismiss your appeal. Saying
my
this
lord
is a
kindly
misconceived.
this will cause a serious prejudice to us. Well,
Then what we will do, say,
my lord, kindly
you are arguing something which has not yet happened.
this particular
You want it now. Appeal court should intervene and give the benefit. Devdulal is not similarly situated with us. We could have understood if here some scale has been withheld. We would have immediately
that is not the issue even before the Devdulal.
So then
Devdulal also a similar issue that we have
not
changed.
was appointed prior to 1st March 2017
First
order.
March 2017.
These people aren't,
First,
and their appointment letter
this is a
says,
better case, my lord, where we were appointed after the judgment.
if it's a better case, you have a weak appeal.
That is your lordship's mercy. But today, my lord, at this,
Mr. Bhattacharya, then what happened? Today, if you are serious with your claim, then you should go to the learned single judge with an application that don't treat me. You could not have included my name in that list. Then if the learned single judge dismisses it, then you can come to us that it is a this is the issue. No legal right infringed. What we will do?
legal right, my lord, but exposing me as an untrained candidate is a right, my lord, which I
Yes,
can
sir.
avoid. That is in page 187 page.
187 is prior to.
No. That is wrong. That was published sometimes in 2023. That was as per order of the court in 2022. When I was appointed in 2017.
Correct. Your 2017 appointment is as a trained candidate.
Trained candidate. That's why even I am shown in 2022 as untrained. So, kindly come to the opening page 186. That was the 2022, my lord, the notification. There also, my lord, I have been shown as untrained.
That is what Mr. Biswas is saying. Kindly come to page 186.
Yes, 186 is a page
On the
120.
basis of Justice Gondopadhyay's order, they published the list. They themselves are saying that we could not even check up at that stage that who is trained, one who is untrained.
Kindly, Mala, record that and correct it, and we shall go. Mala, kindly, I have no further grievance, Lordship. Kindly, Mala, record that and correct it. Mala, we shall go. Mala, kindly do not give his further pain, Mala. Already we are overpained on the issue. Only observation that they should be treated as trained as said by the board.
Where they have said they will not treat you as trained.
2022 circular, they have shown me as trained, untrained. And their reason for this, my lord, is something, my lord, which is their internal affair. But we could not, my lord, conceive to that, my lord, that we cannot accept that why should I be continued as an untrained since I have appointed as a trained. At least, my lord, give that protection to us.
What says he's the train?
Record that, my lord, record that and dispose of the appeal that we are trained candidates. This is wrongly, my lord, recorded in their panel.
Getting a category scale since its inception.
Let us not be, my lord, thrown to third round of litigation. After this judgment, somehow Lordship is not accepting the untrained persons and we are panel, my lord, contain my name.
আসেনি কেউ তো আসেনি তিনটেতেই আছে তিনটেতেই আছে একই মামলা 18, 19, 20
তাহলে আমাকে বলতে
May I take an honest leave, my lord?
হ্যাঁ, যাও, যাও।
না ভুলে যাই না বলে হবে না আমার তো কিছু বলার নেই
স্টেটমেন্ট
না গরিব মানুষ May I take an honest leave, my lord? Just coming, my lord, within 2 minutes.
Mr. Vishwas, can we record that their even if their names are there in that, they will be treated as trained?
Record it. Lordship, record it, declare it, my lord. My lord, we are not on the, my lord, way stand.
Grateful. Talib.
What is the fact? My lord, I placed, my lord, I
No,
submitted.
why? Because page 186, 187 you showed na. 186 is of a memo dated 28 November
My lord,
2022.
I submitted, my lord. 186 is the outcome of the order passed by the single bench.
Yes.
My lord, whatever we had, my lord, we uploaded it.
No,
My lord,
but at that time, Justice Mantha's order came when?
no, Justice Mantha's order, no way, my lord, here is.
Justice Orijit Banerjee's order, 1st of March 2017. And I was appointed in April 2017.
I didn't follow. What did you say? 1st of March?
March 2017, Justice Orijit Banerjee declaring the special education is a training qualification.
Oh, that was not by Justice Mantha.
No, Justice Orijit Banerjee. The judgment is annexed.
Where is that?
Judgment is annexed. Mala Justice kindly Orijit Banerjee judgment,
So
my lord,
your
at
appointment
page
was after this?
104.
Your appointment was after this.
After this.
After
That was made after this.
Page
Page 104, the judgment starts 1st of March 2017.
104.
And operative part at page 147. Last paragraph, Lordship may read, my lord, that will cover the issue. So 104.
Now, this notification was after Justice Orijit Banerjee's order.
For that, your lordship, 172, page 140, one page the correct, sir. 172, my lord. My lord,
Yes.
last part, my lord, paragraph 55, 52.
Yes, ঠিক আছে.
My lord, at that point of time, my lord, we apprehended.
70?
173.
2.
My lord, the paragraph 52.
Yes.
My lord, Mr. Gupta had indicated that in the case the court now holds that the petitioner should get the benefit of being treated as 10 candidate, it will create huge logistic problem for the respondents. Is a major part of the vacancies have already been filled up by issuance of the appointment letter. my lord, we apprehended that. My lord, at that point of time, 2017, my lord, when the single bench directed board to upload the my lord, entire, my lord, data or backup of code, my lord, that after lapse of my lord, publish of the panel 4 years, my lord, the investigation was going on. CBI, ED, my lord. All the board were under the control of the ED and CBI, my lord. My lord, no one of the, my lord, the member of the board or my lord, the officer, my lord, the officer or the staff of the board were not in position to scrutinize or were not scrutinize this. My lord, that is why, my lord, this was uploaded and my lord, this was done. But because it was, my lord, done in the year 2016.
No, my name cannot come there because I was appointed after that.
22.
Yes, 22. Malad, what is the 22? This is the nothing but a list,
Breakup of marks.
breakup of marks which was prepared in the year 2016. That was only uploaded in the official said we asked from the Malad, the our agency and Malad we get it and Malad uploaded it. This was actually happened, Malad. And that point also, Malad, I just shown you, Lordship, Malad. It was our apprehension also, Malad. If something will be, Malad, problem, will face some problem, Malad. We apprehended that.
Records reveal